to you today about the reasons why you want to avoid artificial sweeteners. They are touted as the healthy alternative, and they're telling you that you can eat and drink all the sweet stuff you want with absolutely no consequences, and that is not true. I almost said something else. You want to talk a little bit more about what your research has shown you?
Yeah, absolutely. So there's a couple main reasons why fake sweeteners are not the best option. There's four main ones. So the first one is that you're basically tricking your body. And whenever you trick your body, it's usually not a good thing because your body's pretty freaking smart. And so basically what happens when you eat something artificially sweet, your brain and your body are on two different wavelengths. So your taste buds taste something sweet. And so then it sends a signal to your brain that I'm expecting sugar. I'm expecting some glucose to hit my system and some calories. And then when this sweetness doesn't arrive, it can lead to increased hunger and increased craving for that sugar. So maybe if you hadn't had something artificially sweet, you would be able to eat a piece of or a bite of cake in moderation. But because your body is lacking that sweetness that it was expecting, you're going to be more hungry and devour the entire cake because your brain is not happy with the amount of glucose you've given it. And over time, by you tricking your body, it can lead to an insulin resistance, which is a key factor in the development of diabetes. The second main factor is that addiction to that sweet flavor. So you are very used to things being super sweet. So then when you eat something like fruit, it's bland or not as sweet anymore. And by doing this, you're really just upping that desire for sweet foods. It's like nothing's ever sweet enough. So you're going to have to keep adding real sugar in one way or another in order to meet your taste buds. And then the third way is gut health. So not only does it discourage the growth of good bacteria directly and indirectly by outcompeting with bad bacteria, but it also increases bacteria associated with obesity. A study published in 2018 found that the 6 most common artificial sweeteners, so the aspartame, the sucralose, all of those ones, all the little packets that you see on your table, were toxic to beneficial gut bacteria in vitro. So they literally killed the good bacteria in a little petri dish. And then the last one is a psychological impact. So if you are drinking your Diet Coke and you're like, oh, I'm cutting out on calories, I'm just going to go eat way more of other stuff because I kind of, I was good by drinking this artificial thing. So it can actually end up making you eat even more. So for all of these pretty significant reasons is why we really suggest to just try your very best to not, and to sweeten your life with fruit instead.
Yeah, all really super important information. So stick to fruit or just get you things unsweetened, and it will totally transform your life.